In this video, I will walk you through step by step how you can create a real trading account on MetaTrader 5. Now, this is the best way, so if you follow every step, you will have a new account set up within 2 minutes. Now, step number 1 is to download the MetaTrader app, and then once you have downloaded MetaTrader, you are good to go to the next step. Now, we need to head over to a browser. What you'll now need to do is find a broker. Now, you will need to do your own research on this. The one that I personally use is IC Markets for my personal capital. But once you have a broker, you will then be able to create an account with IC Markets or whatever broker you choose. Now what we need to do is we need to go back over to our MetaTrader 5, which is our trading platform. You can then go to settings in the bottom right hand corner. And then from here, if we select new account, you will then be able to search for your broker. So for example, if I search for IC Markets, you will then be able to click on the one that you need. So for example, once you create your account with IC Markets, it will tell you which server. So it will be IC Markets EU for me. You can then click on this, and then from here, you can now enter in your login and also your password, which will be provided to you by your chosen broker.